Oh, close your eyes. See, I just stayed down till I came up, and when I came up, I stayed down. Used to say that sound good, but now I say that's a good sound. When you get money, niggas start coming around. Shout out to Juicy J, South Memphis, the whole M-Town. Now I'm back like I turned around, but I fucked around and did a 360. We made it to the ones that held me down. I turned my back on the ones who didn't fuck with me. I throwing them red bands and I hit the street and something low key, I ain't trying to disguise it. No winner's tennis, so when the hoes look in it, I get a lot of haze like Isaac. My life ain't private, it's an open book. I was born in Memphis, by the river, something like Sam Cooke. Don't believe me, just look. I bet you keep on looking. See, I let it shine, then go and cop, cause I keep on pushing. I keep it clean like dushing. Told her to keep it clean like dushing. I still ride with that work between her legs, so I'm in and out her pussy. Bet y'all still looking. Next name should be Looky. Cool Joe mixed with Toucan Sam. Take a picture, it'll last longer than you post that bitch on Instagram. I got them bird dogging. Yeah, they watching me. I said they bird dogging. Guess I am a sight to see. I got them bird dogging. Every time I come around, they be watching me. Pick your face up off the ground. Close your eye, man. Blindfold ENT.